Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Shantini Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kattankulathu, Chennai. Today, I am giving a second lecture of the Carnot map, where I will basically cover the simplification using K-map for 2 and 3 variable. So, starting with what is the Carnot map? Carnot map actually first introduced by Marcy Carnot in 1953. It is actually a grid-like representation of truth table which is used to simplify Boolean algebra expressions. Okay, so it is basically used to express 2, 3, 4 and 5 variable. These are actually the Carnot map. This is actually a grid-like representation. This is 2 variable, this is 3 variable representation, this is 4 variable representation. So how we will represent in this 2, 3, 4 variable one by one I will come. So in the next 2 to 3 slide you can easily understand. Okay, so number of cells is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of input variables. Okay, so actually if this is a 3 variable, here I have given 2 example. So first of all I have taken 2 variable. Okay, number of cells just n equals to 2. Okay, that means number of variables is 2, that means x and y. So if there is a number of variable 2, then it is already mentioned that 2 to the power n, that means 2 to the power 2, that means number of cell is 4, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 4 cells are there. Okay, now if the number of variables are 3, then the how many cells will be there? Cells number will be 2 to the power 3, that means 8, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if the number of variables are 4, then it will be 2 to the power 4, means 16 number variables. So here it is starting from 0, 0 to 15. Okay, so 0, that means if I count from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so this is the representation. So 5 variable, if it is it will happen, then it will 2 to the power 5, that means almost 32. Now it is actually the simplification of Boolean expression. I have already said that you have to enter 0 and 1 value in different position, and then you have to grouping all the ones or all the 0 based on the SOP and POS expression. Okay, so grouping basically done by using pair form, using quad form, or using the octet form. So how you will basically group, I'll discuss later. So now starting with 2 variable Carnot map. Okay, so here already I have said that this is 2 variable, means 2 to the power 4 number of cells, that means 4 cells, that means this 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you have to understand here which one is the higher order variable. Okay, so this is y is actually the higher order, z is actually the lower order. You have to represent yz in this form. So you have to calculate this is just for this is the actually this is all a binary representation, so you can only put 0 and 1 value. So here also for z 0 and 1, here for y also 0 and 1. Okay, so this is 0 0 m0, 0 1 m1, 1 0 m2, 1 1 m3. You have to count properly because this is y is higher order, z is lower order. So you have to start counting from y to z, that means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is a representation. Now how many combinations of grouping you can form? Okay, so because here different grouping there are lots of pair combination you can form. Okay, so you can form a pair like that. If there is a 1, there is a 1, you can form a pair here. Okay, so I am just opening my note. Okay, it will be helpful to understand all of them. If this is representing as this is a 4 variable. Okay, this is the 4 variable, sorry, 2 variable. 2 variable means 2 to the power 2, that means 4 cells are there. Okay, so here y and z we will represent 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So here basically now we are discussing about soft form. So here 0 is z bar and 1 is z, and here also y is y bar and 1 is y. So here you have to calculate from here to here because y is actually higher order. So y, z, how many combinations we can take? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 0 0 0 position of the cell, 0 1 1 position, 1 0 is 2 position, 1 1 is 3. You have to remember the 4 to 1, here actually 2 1 combination. So 0 0 means 0 value, 1 means basically 0 1, 2 means equal to 1 0, that means in the position of 2 you have to write only 1, and 3 means in both the position 2 and 1 you have to write 1. So this is the representation of the 2 variables. So now just at that moment I take the red color pen, and here how many grouping in a group we can form. Okay, so if I consider here and here 1, then you can make a pair in this way. Okay, at that moment we consider here and here there is a 0. So in the case of soft form you have to group only the one where in the cells basically where 1 is there. So already I have take a group, this is one group. So then again let's see, here another 1 is there. Okay, another 1 is there, then we can form another group. This is another pair here. Okay, so now I am representing that. I just delete all this thing, and okay, so now so I have taken 1 here also, so you can group here also. If there is a 1, you can take a group here also. In this way, various combinations you can make a pair. Okay, so now I am coming to discuss how to write the final solution. Okay, so actually final solution will be like that. If there is a, I have already taken, this is the combination 1 1 1 1. Okay, so here we can form one pair, here we can form another pair. Okay, so how we will represent? Basically here there is this, actually first we will take this combination. Okay, it actually shares one column and 2 row. Okay, so here in this case you have seen that 0 and 1 basically cancel out each other. Okay, so if I multiply 0 and 1, it will be 0, so we can cancel out both. Okay, so only z is there. Okay, and now I am taking this pair. Okay, so here also it shares one row and 2 column. 2 column means it cancel out 0 and 1, because if I multiply 0 and 1, there will be 0, so only I have to take here y. So this is actually the solution. So next we will actually do some more example, then you can I think it will be clear for all of you. So now I am taking another 2 example. First example is I have given that summation of 0 to 3. Okay, so here already you have to understand there is a summation is there, so it will be they are basically talking about the soft form. Okay, mainly we considered on soft examples. If you want to know how to do the pause expression also, then I'll make another separate video. So So this is actually summation form. That means we are talking about soft form 0, 2, 3. That means in these three position the 1 will be there. So first of all this position is 0, 0. So I have already written 1 here, then 1 here and 1 here. So here also two variable, that means 0, 0 means B bar, 1 means B. Here also 0 and 1, that means A bar and A. Now you can form a pair here, you can form a pair here. Okay, so here basically first of all when I only consider this pair, there it actually shares two row, this row and one column. Okay, so here actually A and A bar is there. If I multiply A and A bar, then according to the Boolean law, A dot A bar is equals to 0. So we can basically cancel out each other. So the final term will come B bar. So 1 is B bar. Okay, another group here also we will form. We can form. So here we can see it shares two column B bar and B and one row A. So we can easily cancel out B bar and B, because if we will consider, then when we will multiply, then B bar and B will be basically according to the Boolean law it will be 0. So we have to take only A. The final expression will come A plus B bar. Okay. Now next example, here 0, 1, 3 position. 0, 1, 3 position. Actually 1 is there here already. Cell number is also mentioned 0, 1, 2, 3. So first of all they make a group here, pair, and here also pair. So here actually it shares this pair. If I consider upper if first of all I consider this pair, okay, if I consider this pair, it shares one row and two columns. So X and X bar, they can easily cancel out each other. Only from this pair the result will come Y bar, and from here and here it is actually, it shares two rows and one column. So two rows Y and Y bar cancel out each other. So there is a answer is X. Here actually it is wrong. It will be X. Actually F2 component is X, so it will be Y bar plus X. Okay. Now going to the 3 variable Carnot map. If you can understand 2 variable, you can easily understand 3 variable and also very quickly understand the 4 variable. So first of all you have to understand 2 variable carefully. Okay, then I am coming to the 3 variable concept. 3 variable means I have already said, first of all you have to find out how many cells will be there. So it is 2 to the power 3, that means 8 cells. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 to 7 means 8 cells. Okay, so now you have to, this is 3 variable means I have written here X and here YZ. So you can represent the 3 variable Carnot map in this way and also in this way. Okay, there are the 2 formation. Okay, so first of all I will discuss in this way. That means X, Y, Z. X is at that moment I will consider higher variable. Y, Z, Y is the second higher and Z is the last component. Okay, so we have to calculate the cell number in this way, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so X to Y bar, X, Y, Z, the number will come. Okay, so first of all we have to count in this way, 0, 0, 0, M0, 0, 0, 1, M1, 0, 1, 1, M3, 0, 1, 0, M2, then 1, 0, 0, M4, 1, 0, 1, M5, 1, 1, 1, M7 and 1, 1, 0, M6. Now if I just again I am opening my notebook. Okay, so here first of all again I just show you the basically the 3 variable Carnot map, where basically in this way X, Y, Z. Okay, here 0 and 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is actually the representation. You have to remember this. So this is actually X bar, X, this is y bar z bar, this is y bar z, this is yz, this is yz bar. So you have to count in this way: 0 0 0, 0 0 means 0, 0 0 1 1, 0 1 1 3, then 2, then 1 0 0 4, 5 7 6. Okay, now how many actually group you can form? Okay, so just first of all, there are basically two types of group you can form. One is quad. Quad means four number of ones will be where four numbers of ones will be there, or you can form a pair also. Okay, so here if there is a 1 1 1 1, so you can form a quad in this way. If there is also 1, you can form a quad in this way. If there is also a 1, you can form a pair, quad in this way. Okay, so in this way you can form different, you can take different combination. Okay, so now I have given another just term that in this way the question is given that in this cells you have to put 1. So here you cannot form any quad, only pair you can form. So here basically there you can form one pair, there you can form another pair, there you can form another pair. In this way you have to design all the part. Now I am again moving to my next slide. So you can form here, you can just see the how many number of quad you can form. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of quad you can form. That means m0 m1 m3 m2, m0 m1 m3 m2, and then m4 m5 m7 m6. This is the another quad. Then m0 m1 m4 m5. Okay, so this is another quad. Then m1 m3 m5 m7. Okay, this is another. Then m3 m2 m7 m6. So this is another quad. And also you can form m0 m4 and m2 m6 if you take. Okay, so this is a different, and also there are pair combinations are also different pair combinations you can form. So these are the possible grouping you can basically make. Okay, now this is the another representation of the three variable Carnot map. You can design in this way also. Here AB is actually higher variable, C is the lower variable. Okay, in this way you have to calculate. That means 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. In this way you have to calculate cell number. First you have to design. First of all, in this case, in the Carnot map, first of all you have to identify how many number of cells you have to design according to the 3 variable, 2 variable, 4 variable. Then you have to find out how many number of cells. Then you have to put the variables in a proper position. Then you have to properly find out the cell number, and based on the cell number you have to put the proper value. Okay, now I am coming to the example that simplify the following 3 variable function. That means a bar plus ab bar plus abc bar. Okay, so first of all you have to there is a all in this. You cannot start any expression or any Carnot map in this way. First of all you have to, we can easily understand there are 3 variables are there. That means A, B, C components are there. But in the first term and second term, in the first term B and C component is missing. In the second term C component is missing. So in this way you cannot start. So for this purpose, first of all in the first term you have to add B. Okay, so B plus B bar, it is AND form. A bar dot B plus B bar. That means B plus B bar is actually, according to the Boolean algebra, it is 1. So A bar dot 1 and A bar dot B plus B bar means same. So similarly here also A B bar dot C plus C bar. After that it multiplies. So it will come in this way. this term and this term, all three components are there, but in the first two term again C component is missing. Okay, so again C plus C bar you have to do in this way, and in the last expression you can see that all three components are present. So now you can start for K map. Okay, so this is actually example. First example 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first of all, this is 3 variable, 8 number of cells are there. So after that you have to put 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 value, and here also 0 and 1, because this is only a single variable. 0 is actually C bar, 1 is C. So here also 0 0 means A bar, B bar. So here basically here written A bar, here it is actually B bar. Okay, so 0 1 means A bar B, 1 1 means A B, and 1 0 means A B bar. So in this position where 1 is written, according to the question 1 is already written. Okay, so how to form a chord? So here actually 4 ones are there, so you can form a chord from here. You can form a next chord is you can form in this way a chord which is actually mentioned by red line, and also you can form a chord yellow line which is mentioned here. So now you have to find out one by one what will be the final result. So if I consider only the blue group, okay, so here first of all it shares 4 rows and 1 column. When 4 rows are there, anyhow you can cancel out all these components because there alternatively 0 and 1 is there. Okay, so each, that means a 0 here, 1 here, again 0 here, 1 here, B also 0 here, 1 here, 0 1. So anyhow it will cancel out each other. So from here only C bar result will come. So you can see this is a C bar. Then again one chord here form. It shares 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so from this 2 column you can see there is a C and C bar component. So C and C bar component, they are neglect each other. Okay, they cancel out each other, sorry. So now this, from this 2 row you can see which one we can cancel out. So I can easily understand there is a B is actually in the 0 and 1 form, so we can cancel out B component. So only A bar will come. These are both are in the 0 form, so here it is A bar. Then next the yellow group, what the result will come here, it shares 2 columns and also 2 row. Okay, from this 2 column there is also C and C bar is there, so we can cancel out each other. And also 2 column from this 2 row also A we can cancel out because A is in the form of 0 and 1 and B is only 0. So from this yellow group we can only consider B bar. So finally the output will be A bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar, because these are all in the soft form. So we have to add all these results. Okay, so this is the final one. Okay, then again two another examples are there here also. This is the another example where 0 1 3 6 7 number cells, the one we have to put. So according to this, so 0 1 3 7, here actually 6 they missed. So in this way, so first of all they form here a pair and also a pair. Okay, so finally just at that moment you consider, don't consider 6 is here. Okay, so 2 pair is there, so based on this result will come. So it will come like that. If we consider these 2 pair, so it will share 1 row and 2 column. So here A bar will definitely come, and here C and C bar is there, we can cancel out each other, so it will come A bar B bar, and from here it will come BC because here A and A bar is there. Okay, so we can easily cancel out each other. And next one is 4 5 7. So 4 5 7 we have to put 1, and they form two pair. So similarly here by this first pair we it shares basically one row and two column. So from this two column we can cancel out C bar component, so final result will come A B bar. Okay, and from the next pair we can cancel out this B bar component, so final result will come A B bar plus AC. Hope you can understand 2 and 3 variable Carnot math. So if you have any doubt, then write this doubt in the comment section. I'll try to solve your doubt. Thank you so much.